Right, I'm going to film this on my phone because I can't be bothered to go get my camera. Hello, welcome to the video. I am down at Bedford. This is probably a second separate video I'm uploading. If you haven't seen the first one, click up here or here and you'll be able to see the full track day vlog of that. I'm about to go out in Tim's M140i from Swift Performance. He knows what he's doing out on track. I'm just kind of bombing it down, brake really hard, hold on for dear life in the corner and then bomb it out again. So I'm going to go out with Tim. He's going to show me what he's doing. It should be a blast, so I thought I'd bring you along for the ride. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, the usual. And I'll see you later in the next video.
So I've got to do a couple, because the trouble is the pressures they change so much that it then thinks there's a flat tyre, and then it puts it straight into comfort and turns on the traction control. And I'm like, ugh. So it's just a bit of a bugger. So yeah, I've just got to let it reset itself, driving around fairly steadyish the first lap.
Sure. So Tim's just warming the tyres up at the moment. He's not even gone traction off yet. I think that's Matt Pitson in the Turbo S.
911 hull. Yeah. Freddie's going to chase him. Look at him. It's Freddie.
So Freddie, we're following Freddie in front.
And he's going to chase the 911. We're at 92%. It's nearly there.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely not braking hard enough. Someone's hit the cone. This is really interesting to see what I'm doing wrong versus Tim.
Check the call. It's nearly there. 99%.
Tyres are at 99%.
Come on.
So resetting the tyre pressure so that then once that's done we can go into Sport Plus. It's just sitting at 99% right now. The speed.
We're in comfort at the moment.
See that again, it's that back end that needs to come out more.
Yeah.
When traction comes off, that's when you can apply it. Power to bring it round.
At the moment I can't.
It's just sitting there at 99.
Is it going to let me? Oh, it won't go in. Oh, so we might have sport.
There we go.
Potentially.
MDM now.
Now we'll get past this guy. Oh, I'm still resetting. Come on, move out the way, mister.
Oh boy.
Feel that flat spot?
Yeah.
That's the trouble I'm having on it.
Christ. I'm definitely not braking hard enough.
No?
I'm almost still braking sometimes when I go round the corner.
Yeah, you got to get all your braking done
before you hit in the corner, yeah.
So he goes wider here. Takes this one wide as well.
Mega, here we go, reset's done. Your tyres are done. got a stage 1 on it as well.
Yeah, and cats, everything's still standard.
How much power are we pushing?
Oh, Atom's coming by. That was awkward timing. I suppose it's 380, 400.
Okay. Yeah, about the M2's power.
Yeah. Yeah, it's probably top power at the moment.
Yeah.
Oh, he's getting a bit out of shape.
So Tim does all his braking first before he gets to the corner, and then he's throttling it round, which is probably why I'm not getting the back to come around the corner.
There's a lot of traffic for this corner.
Alright, that video doesn't get too long, I'm going to leave it here. Have a good one, like, subscribe, check out Swift Performance. I'll see you in the next video.